If you are not making at least $50 a day from this app, you are missing out. What's till the end to start earning now? This app provides multiple ways to withdraw your earning. Convert your points into real cash and transfer it into your PayPal account. This app also pays in Skrill, Payoneer, even gift cards. No matter where you are from, you can start making money online with this app. So subscribe this channel and let's start with the step number 1, how to create account. Head over to the website. Enter your valid email, create a strong password and verify your email, and boom, your account is ready. Step number 2, how to make money. This app provides multiple ways to make money. You can make money through completing simple surveys. Brands pay Swagbucks to collect opinions, and Swagbucks pays you for answering. Each survey takes 5 to 20 minutes and you can earn up to $5. You can also earn by watching short clips, ads and trending videos. This app pays you for trying out new mobile and PC games. This also pays you on shopping. If you shop online, you can earn cash back. And of course, the last but not least, invite friends and earn 10% of their lifetime earnings. So what are you waiting for? Start making money online today.